So today we got an adventure, a little different from what we normally go out and do. We were going through the RV show, actually the very first day, and we seen this fifth wheel sitting there, and we just thought, hey, let's go take a look at that real quick. And it was quite an RV. I was kind of shocked about how nice it was. So come along with us today and see what that one is.
It's kind of cool. It's got a lot of features.
So we came up on this trailer. It's a Forest River Cedar Creek Champagne. The model's a 38RD. I'm not real keen on a lot of trailers. I kind of like the one we've got. But I mean, when we've seen this one, we thought we'd go over there and take a quick look at it inside. And, it was kind of shocking. It was a little bit better than what I was expecting.
The seats for the living room were really super soft.
And we walked through, quite a few other ones. We have another video coming up here in a day or so that's going to show you another fifth wheel that we went through, which is one of the most popular fifth wheels out there. And we walked through that model too. So this one was the 2021. So come along and let's go inside and check it out.
Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell for notifications. Here we go.
Just had to come in this trailer. This floor plan. Cedar Creek Champagne.
I guess it did have a table in it.
This had the most comfortable seats you could ever find. Very nice.
Try to figure out who sells them.
Got a nice big entertainment room. Has a pull-out hide-a-bed.
Both sides?
I would say it'd be both sides. Yep. Phone's down. I don't think they have electric plugged in. Has a full-size oven, pretty close to full size, 4 burners. Pantry, slide-out drawers. Look, it has a Best Buy microwave. This big refrigerator. Another pantry. More storage. Splashboard. Oh, let's make drinks. They already got a mixer drinker in here for you.
Mixer drinker.
This little bar here they got. Got a wine cooler in this one. Put your wine in.
Only a couple bottles.
A lot of drawers. Here's the sheet on this one. $121,804.80.
Well, I got the 80 cents. You got the rest?
Double sink. Get my fingers out of there.
Don't smush them.
Work it there. Like a milker. Storage down here, they can give you a free trash can to go along with it, I bet.
That would not work. Oh.
Nope, you get a little half put junk in.
See how big the stove was?
Yep. Got a little table here for 2.
Backsplash? That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I got that over here. Backsplash.
That's your bar area, huh?
Yep. Got here's our solar controller. Wi-Fi. Set up. Fuse box. Some stairs here to go up. Got a double sink. Plastic. Double mirrors. Porcelain toilet. Metal shower. Still have plenty of room here. Headroom. Pretty tall. Kind of low here. Adjustable shower head. Easy step in and out. Go in here to the master bedroom. Looks like somebody used the bed today. Pretty good sized bed. Looks like a king size. Get some lights on. I think they got an electric on. So, said the solar was up. Got a big closet. Can't see too well with the camera. Got nothing on. This one's already set up with the washer and dryer. Pretty good size. Got some shelves back here in the store. I guess shoes or something on. Rail goes the whole length, but you can't see because it's too freaking dark in here. I think they can afford to pay the light bill. Got a built-in dresser. TV here, small one, looks like about a 32-incher. I think they can afford a light bill. Solar must not be turned on. It should be. Just wanted to bring you in here and take a look at this one here. It was actually the first trailer we walked in when we came in here. Don't know much about the brand. I think it's a Forest River. I think that's what it said. Forest River Incorporated made it. Not sure about the quality. Take a walk around the outside. Dual propane tanks. It's got air ride. Looks like no generator in this one. Batteries on this side. Oh, they got disconnected. That's why it ain't working. Water system. Outside shower hookup, all that drains. Gray tank, it's got a bath tank and a black tank. Refrigerator vent. Pretty good amount of storage here. Tables, chairs, barbecue, things like that. You can probably get in here. Aluminum flooring, looks like. Braces, that is. We're camera mounted already. It's probably just from the other side. Take a look underneath. So I went through there and checked that fifth wheel out. You know, should have had a generator for that kind of money. That's what I would have thought. But, you know, it is what it is. But, I mean, it was pretty neat. You know, you could sleep like 6 people. You know, I don't know if the 4 people sleeping up there in the family room would have liked to all been together at one time. But, hey, if you're coming along as a sidekick, you get what you get. So I hope you enjoyed our video today of the fifth wheel that we checked out here, that Forest River.
Champagne.
Yeah. So it was kind of neat. And give us a thumbs up. Go through your spiel.
Thanks for coming along with us today. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share us with your family and friends. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on our next video.
And more of Courtside coming.
There's a lot to see out here.
A lot. Here in Courtside, you can get just about anything you're looking for. What's in the box? tie straps.